In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up very quickly. So if you're on the dashboard here, click on the gears icon. This will take you to the business details setup. It's very straightforward. There isn't a link here where you can see the steps. Once you fill in a particular area, just tick a box and go to the next one and so forth. To get back to the business details, click on the gears icon. It's very self-explanatory for the most part, but I'll take you through each of the steps. So first, just to put in your address, then your suburb, your state, your country, which you can choose from a list there, and your code. Put in your business name. In the case of G4 Guitar Schools, what you need to do is put G4 Guitar School and then your suburb. Put the owner's name in there, whoever is the owner of the business. In here you can put your website, or you can use the G4 Guitar website. The next one is the website short, and this is where you will leave off the http://www. And you just have that, but that's because of the way that it works, so make sure that you put in that one as well. The email address goes into the next field, your phone number, and this is a policies link. So on your website, what you want to do is have a page that states your policies and then have a link going to here, which will take people, students who receive your emails straight to that page via a link. Email closing, that's whatever you want it to be. Kind regards, yours sincerely, yours, whatever works for you. Google Map, you can go and register your business on a Google Map, and then you can put the link here. Once you've done your Google Map setup, which you'll need to verify, then they'll allow you to take a link and you can bring it and put it in here. Then we've got the calendar. That's where students can make appointments, or you might have a Google Calendar. Whatever you use, you can put your calendar in there, and that's associated with the timetable. So make sure that when you put it in there, that it's the one that you're going to be using to put in casual appointments usually. Then you've got your currency. Choose which one is yours, depending on where in the world you are. The monthly value average, that's the amount of money that your average student will spend. In the case of, say, a G4 guitar student in Australia or the US, most of them pay $99 per month, and that way you can put that amount in there and it'll help you with your statistics to work out your profitability per student. We've got amounts here, amounts 1, 2, and 3. The idea here is each of the amounts are the products you sell, so it allows for 3 different products. Then we've got tax, which is in this case 10%, which is an Australian rate. Say in the UK, where they have 20% VAT, you can change that to 20%. Again, that helps you with your profit and loss. Then put in your tax number there, whatever that happens to be. Coming up to the next column, we have the shop link. This is where you can have buttons such as PayPal buttons so people can purchase. This goes again on emails. So when you send an email to someone asking them to pay, they can follow that link, go to your shop, and they'll see the page with the buttons on it. These are the rooms that you'll find on your timetable. On your timetable, there are 2 rooms. So if you only have 1 room, you operate as a single studio, that's fine. But if you have 2, then you've got facility here for 2. If you've got more than 2, then you'll need to get a special file made, and that, of course, you'll need to come through me, and I'll talk to you about that if you're operating more than 2 studios. Student register. What you do here is this is going to have a link where your students can register to become a member of G4 on the G4 Guitar website, so they can access the G4 student website area. Account software, that's where you can add in whatever you use. In the case of myself, and the link there is that it goes to QuickBooks. I use QuickBooks, and I've got an icon for QuickBooks on here, and I recommend using QuickBooks. It seems to be the best all-round software. There are a couple out there, but that's the one that I use and recommend. Bank, this is your bank. Wherever you bank, just put in your banking link there. The reason that we have these links here, including L1, L2, L3, these are, and the Facebook, Twitter, Google, Plus, and YouTube. If I go to the front dashboard here, you'll see these links down the bottom here, and they pertain to those particular links. So the idea is that by, say, putting in your Facebook link or putting an L1 link, then when you come back, you paste those links into here. Then when you click on these icons on your actual file, then you'll be able to go straight to them. It's just a time saver. The idea with these particular links is obviously Facebook, Twitter, Google, plus YouTube, where you'll go often, and to your pages where you might need to send links to students, etc. That's the QB, that's like the accounting software I was talking about. You have your bank link here, so you can go straight to your bank account. That's Google Drive. But with these ones, L1, L2, L3, you can put whatever you like in there. They're just 3 links that you use often and you want to have right in front of you all the time. So that's what they're for. If you've got other links, then we have a link section up here, which is where you can post lots of links, unlimited. So, but these are just really your 3 other links that you use on a regular basis. Then, so that's all those. Then you've got import contacts. So there's a file that you can use. I'll just click on there. You'll see it's searching for the G4 file, which is contacts g4.csv. So it has to be a CSV file, and then what it'll do, it'll automatically bring that into your computer. You will have to make sure that it's correct before you do it, and there are steps involved which if you're not sure, then be careful, but it's fairly simple, it's fairly straightforward. And I'll probably do another video on that soon, which will help you with importing your contacts. And then there is the export contacts. So you want to export your contacts every now and again to make sure that you've got a backup. You also want to back up this file completely, but just that's an added extra there, is to be able to export your contacts. Sometimes you might want to do something with them. You might want to copy their email addresses into an email that you're sending out for a specific reason. So being able to export the contacts is very handy as well. That's pretty well it. So once you get set up, if you have any questions or problems, as always, send me a message. Thank you.